Hello, and welcome to the Metro MLS webinar reviewing My Saved Sorts in FlexMLS. In this webinar, we're going to show you what a saved sort is, how to create and use it. So let's begin. So what a saved sort is a sort that you can create, a custom sort that you can create. So when you're on the search results screen, you can sort those results by your custom sort. To access saved sorts, you click on Menu, and then underneath Preferences, you click on My Saved Sorts. Okay? So to create a sort, you click on New. So let's say, for instance, when I search for delayed listings in the system, I'd like to sort it by the start showing date in ascending order, which means the one closest to the day that I'm looking at, then going further out into the 15 days. So to create that sort, I'm going to give it a name. So I'm going to call it Delayed Listings. And then here you can choose the property type that you want to create that sort for, although it can be used for the other ones. And here, this column contains all of the things that you can sort by. So if you decided that you wanted to sort by terms of sale, cash, conventional 30, conventional 15, any of these you can sort by. So I'm going to search for start showing date. So instead of scrolling down the list, I'm just going to type it in here in the search field and type start, and there it is right there. So I'm going to left click it. Now you can enter in more of these columns. So if you wanted to use the first column, start showing date, then maybe the list price, then maybe something else, you can line up the columns based on the order on which you want them to sort. But I'm just going to keep it simple. I'm just going to do start showing date, then I'm going to hit save. Okay, so there it is right there, my sort. Okay, so any sorts that you have here, like this hot sheet inherited one, that one comes along with your system here, so you can't delete that one. So when you click on it, it'll tell you there's the name and then the sort order. It sorts by county first in ascending order, then municipality. All right, so the one that I just created is just using that one column, start showing date, because that's all I care about. But if I wanted to add list price or something like that, I could. You've got option buttons down here, so we use new. You can copy a sort. So let's say if you wanted to use this hot sheet sort as like a jump off point, like a template to build upon, you can copy it and then create another sort built off of this one. If you need to edit your sort, that's what the edit is for. If you want to delete a sort that you've created, that's what the remove is for. Or you can give it to someone in your office. So when you hit give to someone, it'll bring up this box here and you just type in your co-worker's name. It has to be within your office. My permissions are different, so I get everybody with the name here. So alright, I'm just going to cancel that out. Alright, so there's my sort. So now I'm going to show you how to use it. So I'm going to start off at a full search. Single family, I'm going to do delayed. Hit next. I'm just going to search in Waukesha County, so that gives us 24 listings, and I'm just going to view my results. So it brings me out to the search results screen. So it's using the single family view because I searched on single family properties. The sort that's in this single family view is by list price, ascending, lowest to highest. Now I'm going to change the sort to my start showing date. So I'm going to click this and go to delayed listings. There it is right there under my saved sort, and click right on top. Then you'll see the order change. Okay, so now it's sorting by the showing date in ascending. So this one has the showing date that's coming up next on Queensway Street. How I can verify that, when I go to detail here, I can just look right there. So it's showing tomorrow, 4/28. If I click on the next one, 4/28, 4/28. So it'll go until the dates will go up. I'll just kind of skip. There's one 4/29. So this is how you can verify that it's sorting by that start showing date. An easier way to verify is you can add a start showing date column on your view if you like to. So here, what I'm looking at here, if I wanted to add a start showing column here, I can just simply create this view on the fly, edit the single family view. So I'll just go view using this little link right here. I'll give it a different name, showing date, so I know that it's one that I'm creating. I'm building on one. Then I'll come here to the Fields tab and then search for that column and click it. So when I click it, there it is right there. So I'm going to move it up the list by holding down my left mouse button and dragging it to the top. And I want it right there. Whoops. Right after there. Alright, so that'll be my first column. Now I'm going to hit save. Brings me back out to those listings, and then there they are. Alright, so that's how that works. This will conclude our webinar for my saved sorts in FlexMLS.